Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are learning page number 58 of Quran, and this is ayah number 67 of Al Imran. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. ما كان إبراهيم يهوديا ولا نصرانيا ولكن كان حنيفا مسلما وما كان من المشركين. Ma, 2 counts long. Ka is 2 counts long. So length of these two should be same. Ma, ka, na is short. Ib, Hamza is very sharp. For Kasra give E sound. That is ba will get qalqala. Ib. When you are creating qalqala, don't miss this E and sharp sound of Hamza. Ra is 2 counts long, and this is heavy. Whenever Ra is with Dhamma or Fatha, you are making it heavy. So this is heavy, and it is 2 counts long too. He will have from your throat, and it is 2 counts long. Mu for Dhamma, circle your lips. The sound is very short. Ya, very soft sound. There shouldn't be Z sound in Ya. Ya of Arabiya is very much different from any other language. So this is a very different letter. This is nothing to do with Y of English and Ya of Urdu. Both are different. We are talking about Ya of Arabiya, and that is very soft. And the sound is short here. Yeah, as there is no muscle in your tongue. You're saying yeah, and there shouldn't be any strong feeling in your tongue. Tongue is a very soft when it's saying yeah. Who is 2 counts long. Dal is attached with yeah. There is number, but we are not creating the sound of j. There is no u sound. Yeah will keep its softness with it and creating number. Why we are creating number over here? Because whenever wow and ya are with tashdid, you are giving this number, and number is a jump of sound. Look, when you are attaching dal with ya, this is the place where you will create number. Listen how I do it. D. Without number, that will be diyam. So with number, this is diyam. So diyam. This is gum with gunna. Keep the sound in your nose for a longer period of time. Yam. Wa is short. La, 2 counts long. Nas. Noon is light, but sod is heavy. Don't make noon heavy because of sod. Nas and sod will get rakhawa and safir. Nas. Ra is 2 counts long and it's heavy. Ni. Yaw. Again, there is number when we are attaching noon with ya. Here we get number, and number is a jump up sound. Ni. Yaw. Idgham with gunna. Wa short. La, 2 counts long. Kil, kaf is attached. Wala, sorry, there is ikhfa. We are hiding the sound of noon, going towards the makhraj of kaf, and keeping the sound in our nose. And this is how we create ikhfa. And when we are saying ikhfa with kaf, it's like ink sound. Walakin, as you are saying ink, and then you're not saying ink, but the sound should be like this. Walakin, ka is 2 counts long, and this is light. Na, short. Ha. This misty sound should be before the fatha. Look how I said ha, ha. Ni is two counts long. Fam, there is hams in fa attached with meme. And meme will get gunna. And this is akmal gunna. So give a nice longer gunna here. Fam mus. For dhamma, circle your lips. As soon as you will touch sin will get raqawa. The lips should be in a straight position. Mus. Li is short. Mau idgham bit gunna. Wa is short. Ma, two counts long. Kaf is light, two counts long. Na is short. Ni, for kasra give e sound, and the sound is very short. Nal, for fatha open your jaws. As soon as you'll touch lam, you will give tawassut, and tawassut is a medium flow of sound. Nal, this sound is tawassut. Minal, mush, for dhamma, circle your lips. As soon as you will touch sheen, your lips should be in a straight position, and it will get rahawa, tafashi, and mush. Iri is short. Keen, four counts long, and noon will get the verse. So this is madarat lisakun. In, hamza is very sharp. For kasra give e sound attached with noon. Noon will get gunna. Gunna is longer. Listen how I do it. In, this is gunna, and fatha is very short. Na, in, ow. Hamza is very sharp. For fatha, open your jaws, and attach with wow. This is lean, and we will make it two counts long. Ow. Lan, for fatha, open your jaws well, and attach with noon. It's not long vowel, but don't skip this fatha. And fatha is always created by opening your jaws. Lan, gunna, longer gunna. This is gunna akmal. And na will be two counts long too. C, for kasra give e sound. B, for kasra give e sound. The sound is very sharp and short. Ib, hamza is very sharp. For kasra give e sound. Attached with ba, ba will get qalqala. Ib. Ra is two counts long. Don't make ba heavy, okay? This will be light, but ra will be heavy. Ib, ra, he is two counts long. Na, short. Lal, for fatha, open your jaws, attach with lam, and this lam is short. Lal, the, two counts long. Nat, noon is attached with ta. Nat, that is short. Ba, short. Ru, ain from your throat, and that should be two counts long. Ru, ain from your throat. Ru, lalladhina taba'uhu. Wow is short. Ha, two counts long. Then valid attached with noon. It's not anymore long. And there is a gunna. Akmal gunna. Then na is short. B, you, there is nabar. When you are attaching ba with ya, this is the place where you create nabar, and nabar is a jump up sound. B, you is short, and ya will stay very soft. There shouldn't be any hard muscle in your tongue when you are saying this ya. Always. B, you, well, wow is short. For fatha, open your jaws. For wow, circle your lips. Attach with lam. Well, la is short. The is two counts long. Na, short. Hamza is very sharp and two counts long. Ma, short. No, two counts long. Wow is light, but as soon as you will touch al-lafz jalala, the lam will be heavy and long. Wallah, who is short, and circle your lips very well for every dhamma in Quran. Huwa, short. Li, you, lam is attached with ya will get, and here you will create nabar, and then after nabar you will attached with lam, and lam you get tawassut. Listen how to do it. Li, yul, li, yul, mu. For dhamma, circle your lips. Here on mim, as soon you will touch hamza, your lips should be in a straight position, and there should be a strong cut of sound, because hamza is shadid letter, shadda letter. And remember, there are 3 categories in sifat: shidda, tawassut, and rakhawa. So this is among ajid qatim bakat shidda letters. So the sound should cut off right away. Mu, mi is short. Ni, 4 counts long, and nun will get tawassut. Min. Inna awlan nasi bi Ibrahima lalladhina اتبعوه وهذا النبي والذين آمنوا والله ولي المؤمنين. ودت طائفة من أهل الكتاب لو يضلونكم وما يضلون إلا أنفسهم وما يشعرون. ودت when you are touching wow with dal, this dal is very sharp sound. What the and dal is this is idgham, so you are touching dal with ta directly. What dal will be light. What the moment you will touch ta, it will be heavy and it will be 4 counts long. When you are attaching dal with to will be heavy, and when you are making it 4 counts long, that will be heavy. So these 2 steps you shouldn't skip to make heavy. What the ifa e is very sharp, and for kasra give e sound, fa short, and there should be hums in fa. Tum idgham with gunna. So, and there is akmal gunna. So you should give a nice gunna here. Min, this is izhar will get the wasut. Min hamza is very sharp. For fatha open your jaws, attach with ha will get khawa. Lil, for kasra give e sound, attach with lam will get the wasut. Lil, ki is short, 2 counts long, be short. Low, 2 counts long because this is lean. Low, you is short. For dhamma, circle your lips. Lil, dod, for kasra give e sound, and dod, keep dod heavy, attached with lam. Lu, 2 counts long. Na, short. Kum, low, you, ضلونكم. For dhamma, circle your lips. Attach with meme. As soon you will touch meme, your lips should be in a straight position and will get the wasut. Wa, for fatha open your jaws. Ma, 2 counts long. You, should be very soft. For dhamma, circle your lips. The sound is very short. You will attach, make dot heavy but lam light. Na is short. Il, hamza is very sharp. For kasra give e sound, attached with lam. Lam will be 4 counts long. Illa, hamza is very sharp. For fatha open your jaws, attached with noon. Noon will get ikhfa. And ikhfa, how you say ikhfa? You will hide the sound of noon, going towards the makhraj of fa and keeping the sound in your nose. Fu is short. Sa, short. So when you are creating it, this is ikhfa, your tongue should be in a straight position because fa is among light letters. Step short. Hum for the circle your lips attached with meme, you will get the wasat. Uwa short. Ma 2 counts long. Yesh. Yeah. Keep ya very light. Attached with sheen, sheen will get rahawa and tafashi. Yesh. Ru ain for the circle your lips attached with. No, don't attach with anything. Ru. Urun. That will be 4 counts long. Ra will be heavy. And nun will get the wasat. Yeah, 4 counts long and keep ya very soft. There shouldn't be any muscle working in your tongue when you are saying yeah. The tongue should be very soft. Yeah. Hamza is very sharp for fatha upon your jaws. Ha will be from your throat and will get rahawa. Lal for fatha open your jaws attached with lam. Lam will get the wasut. Ti and for kasra give e sound. Kaf is very light. Ta 2 counts long. Bi short. Kitabi li short. Ma tak. That is very strong, and there shouldn't be any humps in ta when it is mutaharika. When it's with fatha dhamma kasra, there shouldn't be any humps. Ta is very sharp letter when it is with fatha dhamma kasra, but kaf will get humps here. Why? Because this is with sakun. Tak. Look how I'm saying it. Tak. Fu for the circle your lips. The sound is very short, but there should be humps always when you're saying fa. Fu, ru, ru, 2 counts long and ra is heavy. Na, short. Bi, for kasra give e sound. 2 counts long. Ya, keeping ya very soft. You are making it 2 counts long. Til for kasra give e sound attached with lam. And this is light. Lafz jalala is light. Why? Because there is kasra before it. La la 2 counts long. He short. Huwa for wow, circle your lips. For fatha open your jaws. Huwa. Hamza is very sharp. For fatha open your jaws. Ikhfa. What ikhfa is, you're keeping the sound in your nose. This is the most important part in ikhfa. You're hiding the sound of noon and going towards the makhraj of ta. Ta is light, so your tongue should be in a straight position. Wa antum for the circle your lips. Meme will get the wasat because this is idkhar shafawi. Wa antum tash. Ta is very sharp. For fatha open your jaws. The sound is very short. Attached with sheen. Sheen will get rakhawa and tafashi. Tash. Ha is short from your throat, not from your mouth. And 4 counts long. And there should be tawassut on noon. Tashhadun. Ya ahlal kitabi lima takfuruna bi ayatillahi wa antum tashhadun. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. سبحان ربك رب العزة عما يصفون وسلام على المرسلين والحمد لله.